What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making candied sweet potatoes, sometimes called candied yams. These are actually so quick and easy to make, so let's go ahead and get started. First, you want to take 2 pounds of sweet potatoes, and then you want to make sure they're nice and washed, and then peel those sweet potatoes. And then slice them up. I like to slice them into rounds. You can slice them into chunks, whichever size you wish. And then go ahead and take 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. This is 1 stick of butter. Melt that in a saucepan. And then add 1/2 cup of dark brown sugar or sweetener, 3/4 cup of white sugar or sweetener. And then go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give that a mix. You want that sweetener or sugar to fully kind of melt down. And then remove it from heat and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and give that a good stir. Then you want to grab a 9x13 baking dish and place those sweet potatoes into the bottom of the dish. And then drizzle your candied mixture on top. And then cover the sweet potatoes in foil and bake those in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. This will kind of soften them up. And then after that 30 minutes, baste your sweet potatoes and then cover them again. And then you want to let those bake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes until they are soft.